Hi there, it's Richard here from Procurement Express. Didn't want to take up too much of your time, but I wanted to show you a great new tool that I think is really going to help you every single day. So let's start very quickly with the problem. So I know that you guys buy a lot of things through Amazon and other shopping carts, and what you do is you have to go through those shopping cart catalogs, pick out what you want to get or what you need, get a price for that, then put that into the purchase order system, create a purchase order, fill out the description for each of the line items you're buying, send it off for approval, get approval, and then go back to the shopping cart and buy what you need to buy. Or maybe someone else is the one that holds the credit card and they're the ones that have to go out and buy those things once they see what's written on the purchase order. So we've developed a new tool called PushCart, which allows you to take an Amazon shopping cart and push it directly into a purchase order within Procurement Express. Right, great, right? Now you'll no longer have to really go through and copy and paste all of those items from that shopping cart into a purchase order request, and all of the detail will be there for you to see. So let me show you how that works. So we have a Google Chrome extension. The Google Chrome extension allows you then to take a shopping cart and push it into Procurement Express. So we're on an Amazon shopping cart. I've picked out just a few things just at random there, a door lock and a pair of gaming headphones, and I've put in some different quantities, and the total value is $273.07. Okay, so we've opened the shopping cart. All we have to do once we've got the shopping cart open is to click on our PushCart Chrome extension. So we click on the Chrome extension. It's going to go through. It's going to log into the account that you have once you've set it up. It's going to ask you a few things. So do you use departments within Procurement Express? If you do, you need to select the department. You select the budget that you're going to use for this particular purchase and the supplier. And I would hope in this case, Amazon is already set up as a supplier for you. And then this particular account is set up with a manual approval, and so we're going to choose who the approver should be. Some cases you might not see that because the approvers are already set up automatically. So once you've done that, that's all you have to do. You click Create PO, and what that's going to do is that's going to read the screen, it's going to take all the detail off of that screen, and it's going to create a shopping cart for you with all the detail in it already. So that's the item numbers from Amazon, that's the description, the price, and everything else. So if we go down and check the price, there it is, $273.07. If you guys have any custom fields that you use, at this point, this is a draft purchase order. So at this point, you can go in and you can make changes to those custom fields. You can edit them as you want, and you can edit this purchase order in it as you want as well. You can add extra costs if you need to, if there's extra shipping costs because you're drop shipping to a particular place, any of those kind of things, or extra notes, you can put those in as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to send it off for approval. So it goes off for approval. Once it gets approved, there's two things you can do then. You can either go back into your shopping cart, no problem, click checkout, you've got approval and off you go. Or if let's say it's somebody else that is actually doing the purchasing. Let's say somebody else holds the credit card, they really need to be the one that's actually doing the ordering. So I'm going to remove everything now from this particular shopping cart. I'm just going to delete everything so the shopping cart is blank. Now when I go into Procurement Express, I'm going to go into that purchase order that I created. There it is, $273.07. And it's sitting there as a pending purchase order. It hasn't been approved yet. Okay, so I'm going to go and approve that purchase order. And once I've approved it, then a Buy Now button is going to be created at the bottom. So there's the Buy Now button. So if we click on the Buy Now button and we've got an empty shopping cart already, then Amazon will ask us, do we want to add those things to our shopping cart? We're going to click yes, and there's those things added back to the shopping cart. Now, just one word of warning with that. If you do that and you've already got items in your shopping cart, then Amazon will add those items together with yours in the shopping cart. If you've got the same items in your shopping cart already, then you'll end up, and you click on it again, like I'm going to do here, you'll end up doubling up on the number of items in the shopping cart. So you'll see there, it's now $546. It's quantity 4, 2, and 2 instead of 2, 1, and 1. So that's because it's doubled up, and you'll have to go back and change that quantity. That's nothing we can do about that, unfortunately, because that's just the way Amazon works. But it allows you then to allow somebody else to buy what you've requested and to use the company card if you don't have access to it. So I believe that this is going to really help you guys, especially those people that use Amazon a lot. And that's why I'm sending this message out to you so you can see exactly what we've got. I'm going to put a link to this particular Chrome extension, which will allow you to download. It's available for public download. You can download it from the Google Chrome store, and that's going to give you a way to do that. If you click on the thing and you click on the link and you go to the help page, you can see all the different shopping carts we support. So it's not just Amazon we support. There's a bunch of other shopping carts there. There's about 40 in total so far, and we're adding more every single day. There's also a large section there that shows you how to do the setup. All you need to do the setup is your username and password, the same username and password you log into Procurement Express every day. If you have any questions at all, you have my email address. Feel free to reach out to me. We can help you get installation. If you have any installation problems or anything like that, just let me know. I'd be really, really interested in your feedback on how this tool, I think this tool is really, really going to help you in your day-to-day, and I'd really like some feedback on that. So thanks for listening. Talk to you soon. Thanks.